Okay, so 3, 2 is translations. A translation is a transformation in a plane that maps all points of preimage to the same distance and in the same direction. So if we look over here, a translation of triangle ABC along the x-axis and the y-axis can be written, and we read that as translation XY, right? That's going to tell you the distance you're moving it, of triangle ABC results in triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Now, a big deal here is to pay attention to which one is the pre-image. All right, so right here is the pre-image. So we are moving the pre-image, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4? Left and, 6 down maybe? So 4 left is a kind of a negative, right? So then if you look at B would be 4 left and 6 down. C would be 4 left and 6 down. They all, and down is actually negative too, isn't it? They all move in the same distance in the same direction, okay? So this is a translation of 4 left and 6 down. And notice these things around translation are not parentheses. This is not a point. -4, -6. This is a movement. Okay? So if the translation XY of triangle ABC equals triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, then A prime, segment A prime, is parallel to segment B prime, is parallel to C prime. And then we're talking about these right here. This is A prime, B prime, and segment C prime, right? All of those are parallel. Also, segment A prime is congruent to segment B prime, is congruent to segment C prime. They're also the same length. Okay, same slope. Same length. Okay, this is huge. That's the big point right here. A translation is a rigid motion. Okay, it doesn't change size or shape. So length and angle measures are preserved. The subscript 7, -4 indicates that each point of triangle EFG is translated 7 units right and 4 units down. So every point here, 7 units right, 4 units down. And if you look, E prime is going to be at 2, 0, right? You see it over there? And if you added 7 to -5, you get 2. And if you subtracted 4 from 4, you'd get 0. So we could do that on each one of these. Plus 7, it's going to give me 6, minus 4, it's going to give me 1. Plus 7 is going to give me 5. Subtract 4, and I get negative 5. So let's try it. So I'm going to write E is at, we're going to use the same points, negative 4. I'm sorry, negative 5, 4. F is at negative 1, 5. And G is at negative 2, negative 1. All right, so we do the translation right here. E prime would be at, if I add 6, I get 1, subtract 7, I get negative 3. F prime goes, F goes to F prime. I'm adding 6, and I'm subtracting 7. G prime, I'm adding 6 and subtracting 7. And that's all there is to that. Let's see. Let's see. On the next page, like I said, it's really important to notice which one is the pre-image. So which, I'm going to actually write that. Which is the pre-image? Okay, and that's, if I'm going to miss these, it's because of that. So this is the pre-image here. So we know that the translation is negative 1. Let's see, how many down? Is that 4? Negative 4. Now it's saying what, number 2, what translation rule maps negative 3, 1, P to P prime. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3. Oops, no, not 3. Up 1, 2, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So translation of 5, 2. A composition of rigid motions, no, composition of transformations, sorry, I was looking above. Composition of transformations is a transformation with 2 or more rigid motions in which the second rigid motion is performed on the image of the first rigid motion. So you just keep going. You make a second one. So when we look at this, right here is telling you that that's a composition of 2 transformations. And we work inside out. This is first. You see your step 1. You translate. Okay, it's like this is inside parentheses, all right? So you work inside out. So you do this one first, and then you do this one. Okay? Let's see, so I'm going to write this. The first transformation triangle ABC is translated to 5. And the second transformation is over line L, reflected over line L, okay? And if you look down here, So this, Kyle is learning a new dance, and he's moving from A to B. So up 2, over 2. Right there, that is. And then he moves to position C. So over 1, down 1. And there that is. So his final position is the composition of the two transformations. So if we put these together, we can say 1 plus 2 is 3, and negative 1 plus 2 is 1. And if you look, if I started from the first position and went to the third position, that's 1, 2, 3, and up 1, right? Which matches this final one if I put them together, okay? So over here, if I was going to put these together, I'm just adding them, okay? All right. Okay, I think I'm going to do this next part in class, so I'll see you tomorrow.